Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video for this amazing single cup K-Cup brewer. It is really just a single serve one. We have this in our little kitchenette, and we love it. It's pretty simple. It has a little spot here in the front. You can take this out, and you got a spot there where you can store your K-Cups. Throw that in there. These are perfect. These are for like little guest areas, or we have a couple of these at our church and stuff for congregants. They can just make their cup when they're ready. So you have like a little setup here where you can choose your water length, and you can go up to 12 ounces there. So you just flip that up. And what I do is it's sometimes good to pre-pour how much you want in your mug so you don't overfill it, and fill that up. And you can see we're at the roughly around 10 ounce. Throw your cup in there. We'll close that up. Got your K-Cup in there, and that's it. Once it's on, it'll just hit the power button. So it's going to suck down all that water, and then it'll heat it up, and then it'll make the coffee. So it takes just a few minutes to get that water heated up before it makes coffee. So it's pretty simple. We'll come back as it's making the coffee. It'll give you this like pulsing light here, letting you know that it's brewing. And there you go. Perfect cup of coffee made, and just really about less than 2 minutes. And this is a great server for, like I said, a single serve and everything. I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks so much for watching.